What's up everybody, welcome back to the channel. I know I haven't posted in a while, but if you don't follow me on social media, which you should, you don't know that I just traded the Lexus last weekend for this, my R33 sedan, and a lot of you are going to be like, why would you trade that? It's a stupid trade. I already got roasted on TikTok, so calm down. If you want to roast me again, just throw it in the comments, I guess, but I'm going to give you a quick tour of this car since I just got it. I really like it. It's not fast because it has an RB20, not an RB25, which kind of sucks, and it's an automatic. But let me show you around the car so you can see why I like this car so much. So when I went to pick up this car, the guy gave it to me on stock wheels and the tires were totally cracked and it was super sketchy driving it home, but the first thing I did was go and pick up these wheels. They're JNC 021s. Got them on Facebook Marketplace for like $1,000 with tires, so pretty good deal on that. And then the second thing I did was to go buy some coilovers. So I have them sitting right here. People might hate on me for this, but I picked up maxpeeding rods. I know they're like cheap quality, well, you know, why are you going to throw that on a Skyline? But honestly, they were still like $500, which is, you know, for me kind of expensive. I got this car technically for free, so like it's not like I have a ton of money sitting around. So I am going to do a review on these and see how well they actually ride, because who knows, maybe be pleasantly surprised. I don't know. So we're going to find out. Today we are installing those, and I am super excited to get rid of this stupid monster truck fitment. And the car's already like kind of low, so we're gonna see how much we can actually slam this thing without rolling the fenders first. So the problem is that it does have pretty aggressive fitment, so these wheels poke out a lot, so I'm hoping the camber kind of tucks it in, and see how it goes. Well, first impressions seem pretty good. These are, so far, feel pretty high quality, but that doesn't really mean anything. So let's install these and see how they ride. In order to get this thing out, I have to get a spring compressor on here, just in case. The stud that's on there, if you can see that, it's kind of dark. It just kind of sticks out, and I had to jack up the other side of the car as well to release the tension on the sway bar. That way this can sag down a little bit more, and I could just pull it off to the side. So it wasn't too bad, just had to lift the other side of the car. Came out relatively easily. So this is about the height difference that these came out of the box with. I'd say that's about 2.5 to 3 inches of drop right there, and there's still more to go. So we shall see how it looks when it comes straight out of the box, and we'll go from there once they're installed. Let's get that this guy in here. Well, that's a crazy difference. Holy shit. Goes the other way. Okay, that's better. Right, that makes sense. Okay, just gonna do that. And I'm gonna throw this on here, just like that. And then put this nut on top. Fits pretty well. This unfortunately does not have a tag for this, which kind of sucks. I have to figure out what to do with that. But check this out. So the bottom is in right now. And if you go and you look at the top, you've got like 2 inches of space before it even seats. So this is going to be pretty low, if I do say so myself. But these coilovers are looking good so far. Let's see how it goes. Now.
All you can do is replace it, clean out the oil as best.
And just like that, we have 1 out of 4 coilovers done. It's already getting dark, but it's good because I have these lights. So we're going to keep going. We're going to move to the back, and we'll see. Hopefully that one isn't too bad either. And now that I've done one, hopefully it'll go much quicker. So it looks like for the rears, the bolt is back here. So it's going to be a little weird to reach, but yeah, we're just going to get started and see how it goes. Okay, well that was worth it. That looks a little sketch. I don't know, this whole thing came out, so I don't know what exactly is holding on the strut at the moment. Let's see if we can hit it with a hammer. Ooh, nice. That was way easier than the fronts. Alright, time to move into the trunk and take off the top. So it looks like the top bolts for the back shocks are actually inside the cabin of the car. So it looks like right up here on the back shelf of the back seat. So we're going to have to rip apart some interior and see if we can access those real quick. Alright, I was able to pop a little bit of it out and just kind of stick my hand in here and wrench it out, and eventually it just fell out like this. So that's nice. Just pull this out now. And there we go. One tall boy is out of the car. I mean, look how tall this thing is. It comes up to my waist almost. This thing's crazy. Alright. That guy's done for. We are all good. Let's move this light back a little bit. Alright, let's go grab a new shock and throw it in here. So we're going to do the same comparison just to see how much we're actually dropping it. Sheesh. Look at that. That's a big gap. That's like half my foot right there. That might be too much, honestly, because this kit's pretty low. I might just have to raise it slightly. So I think I'm going to raise it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. I think I'm gonna do 8 turns higher, just for now, to see how it looks. I don't want this thing crazy slammed. Let's throw this guy in here. I need to go like sort of. Except I missed. Let's put on the bottom first, I guess. Well, even after dropping the rears by 8 turns, the car is still on the jacks, and look at that fitment. It's still on jacks, like it's in the air, and it's already almost tucking. So I guess let's drop it down. The front, well, you can't see it, but it's not as bad. It probably has a gap about that big. So I'm gonna drop it down anyway, because screw it, and we're gonna see what this looks like. Alright, we're gonna drop the front first. Oh, well, I guess because the back is still up, it's not gonna go all the way down. Just kidding. That front fitment is beautiful. Oh my god. It's sitting on the leg. Look at that. If the fenders were rolled, it'd be beautiful. But it's just sitting on the what? It's just sitting on the fender right now. I need to roll this thing, because that, if you can see it, it's literally just sitting on there. So I don't know, that's probably not great. However, it did camber out. Oh my god, I can't talk. It did camber out a bit. That is nice. This is monster truck right now. What is happening? Jeez, look at that. It's just, it's terrible. Terrible. I don't approve of that. So, clearly, we have some stuff to do. So I finally got the coilovers fully installed, and I've been driving around on them for a couple days, and honestly, I am pleasantly surprised with how well they ride. I couldn't tell the difference between the BCs and my Lexus, to be honest. I do have them turned up to like a harder setting so that it doesn't rub as much. Still not bad at all, a little bouncy. Probably when they settle in, they'll be better. But overall, I give them a good rating for the price. Not bad at all. So if you enjoyed the install, if this helped, please like, subscribe, all that stuff. I'll see you in the next one.